Welcome back friends in my channel. In this video tutorial I'll show you how to find out a crystal structure of a specific protein by using PDB database. So for that, in your browser you have to type PDB database and search it. So this is the home page. And this is the home page of the PDB database. So here you will get one search box. So you have to type your desired protein. So for example, I want to type P53. Okay. So there are different kind of studies people they did, and they deposited on PDB database. So what kind of structure you need, you have to go through accordingly. So for example, I will go this one. This is this is not the exact T53. Well, let's search again. T53 binding protein, regulated inhibitor of apoptosis. Okay, this one. Yeah, so this one. So crystal structure, a T53 induced glycolysis and apoptosis regulated protein from Homo sapiens. So if I click this one, then you'll get a page about the in details information about the P53 and what kind of structure it is and everything. So in details, this is the, you see there is one paper you'll get here. So to be published is not yet published, this paper. So in every cases you will get a paper. So if you go through this paper, so you will get everything in details about the crystal structure and binding and all of details information in that paper. And in down part you will get the how many chains are there. So this is the chain A, sequence length 275, and this is the Homo sapiens. Okay, this is the ligand. So also you'll get the corresponding ligand information. So if you click this, so you'll get in details information about the ligand. So this is the phosphatone. Also you can download this inhibitor. So structure data file, you have to download it. So when you download it, after download, if you use it for molecular docking or any protein-protein interaction for the 3D structure, so you have to convert it to PDB file by using any tools. Okay, so this is how you can download the ligand. Well, let's get back to the T53. So this is the all details, and also you can download it, this protein, from here, download files. So you can also download it FASTA sequence. FASTA sequence is not the 3D structure. This is in just linear structure, and the PDB format you will get a 3D structure of this protein. So for protein-protein interaction or docking, you have to go to the PDB format. And after download the PDB format, so you have to open it by using PyMol or other kind of software. But PyMol is the actually efficient software for this. So I'll make another video. So how to open the PDB format by using PyMol. And this is actually for this specific proteins, and for this specific study there is one any specific ID. So if you remember this ID, and also if you record it and if you type this ID, so you'll get the same kind of page. Okay, so so that's it guys. So I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.